Okay, yesterday we have built a simple portfolio with the help of HTML and CSS. As think everybody has gone through it, I have said to build your own portfolio as well. How many of you done your own portfolio? Just I have shared the code as well in the WhatsApp group. How many of you gone through the code? Kindly reply guys. How many of you gone through the code? Okay, then no worries. Yesterday we have built our own portfolio. This is the portfolio which we built. Let me share my screen. Okay, this is the portfolio which we built yesterday. Is it right? They have nav bar, then header section, then about section, then my skills, then my work, and then contact form, then in footer. Is it right? This is the website which we built yesterday. Now, today we are going to host this particular portfolio in GitHub. We will be getting a shareable link. Like over here, you can able to see meet.google.com. This is a link of Google Meet. In the same format, you will be getting a URL of this particular portfolio where you can able to get the URL from Chrome. When you place the URL, you can able to get the portfolio page from internet. Okay, today we are going to host this particular portfolio in GitHub. Can we? If you reply, then we will continue with the task. I will say step by step procedure how to host this particular HTML page in GitHub. Kindly reply. Are you ready? Hello. If you reply, then we will be moving with the concept. Kindly reply. Hello. No one is replying. Just kindly reply. Can we move? There are 5 members. No one is replying. Kindly reply. I think no one is listening. Okay, let me share how to host this particular portfolio in the GitHub pages. First of all, you have to open your GitHub account. Just log in into GitHub account. Just go to this particular official website of GitHub. Just github.com. This is the official website of GitHub. Just click on this particular page. Then you will be able to, if you log in, then you can able to get this particular interface. In this particular interface, you can able to see a new button over here. Just click on the new button. By clicking on the new button, you can able to see this particular repository name. It will be asking for a repository name. Over here, we will be creating repository. This is the name which will be visible in the URL. So you can choose your own name for the particular repository name. Just I have mentioned web portfolio as the repository name. As you can able to see, your new repository will be created as web hyphen portfolio. And then if you want place description, you can place, and then visibility to be public, make it as public, and then add readme file. Then just click on create repository. By clicking on this particular repository, you can able to get this particular interface. In this particular interface, just you have to upload the code. Just click on add file and then upload files. You can upload the files or you can create new files as well. Just I will be selecting files. In the desktop, I have in the web folder, I have index and style as my files. Just I will be opening two files. Here the two files are uploading. Just wait for until they upload. Just now the two files has been uploaded. Just click on commit change. When you click on commit changes, you can able to see the portfolio pages has been uploaded into the GitHub. Is it right? Just the HTML page and style.css has been uploaded. Just you can able to see this is the HTML code which we have built yesterday, and then this is the style code. Now in the web portfolio, we have uploaded these two files, and then this is a readme file where you can able to edit this particular readme file, and then you can make a detailed description about the project which we have made. After that, just go to settings, click on settings. In the settings, just search for GitHub pages. As you can able to see pages, just click on pages. By clicking on pages, over here you can able to get an shareable link within 10 to 20 minutes. Within 10 to 20 minutes, you will be getting a shareable link over here. Let me show you. I have by default some of the links. Let me show you that links. This one is a network speed. This is an public repository. In this public repository, when I click on settings, when I go to same pages, in the pages, you can able to see an link. Just click on visit site. You can able to see with my GitHub ID, then a portfolio page. This is the page repository name which I have given. I will be getting this particular shareable link. I will be sharing this particular link in the chat box as well. Just go through it. When I place, I can able to get my HTML code in the Chrome browser, which can be shareable there with my GitHub account. Okay. When the code, when the web portfolio publishes, I will be sharing the link as well. Until, does anybody have any doubts regarding this particular? Any doubts regarding this particular hosting? Repositories. In the repositories, this is the web portfolio which we have made. In the security section, we will be getting in the pages, we will be getting an shareable link over here. It will take time. After uploading, it may take up to 10 to 20 minutes. After onwards, you will be getting a link which the particular page will be hosted. Is it right? Does anybody have any doubts regarding this particular hosting? This is a free version. No need to pay anything. Kindly reply. Is this clear? Today, I will be wind upping the session in the same format. Everybody should by tomorrow should make your own portfolio. Then everybody should share their link as well. Is this clear? Everybody should share their GitHub link about their own portfolios. In the previous batch, everybody has done up to 30 persons are there in the class. Among 30, up to 28 people has made their own portfolios and share their own URLs. By tomorrow, everybody should make their own portfolios and should share their GitHub link. Okay, should publish on the GitHub pages, then share your link as well. Is this clear? Okay, I will wind up the session. Then everybody should make your own portfolio and then share your link as well. Thank you. तो डेवलपर क्या क्या देखिए